Good morning, my dear students. Today in this session, we'll start with lesson number 7. Name of the lesson is verbs. Be, do, have, forms. The verbs to be, to do, and to have can be used both as auxiliary verbs and main verbs. For example, you can see over here, take the right option. We have been friends since childhood. She will be 15 years old this August. The verb to be has the following forms: present tense, past tense, present perfect and future. When you use the present tense, at that time the verbs are am, is or are. Present perfect, have been, has been. Past tense, was or were. In future tense, will be used. They are used with the present participle form, verb plus ing to show an action going on. For example, she is going now. She will be going tomorrow. This is future tense. She is going now. Present. She was going yesterday. She has been going for 3 days. Verbs to be are used with condition, quality, location of some or something, someone or something. For example, she is a teacher, present tense. She was a teacher, that is past tense. And she has been a teacher for 10 years. Until now it is continuous, means still she is being a teacher. I will be a teacher after I grow big, that is future tense. They are used in passive sentence with being. For example, the work is being done, that is present tense, and the work was being done was the past tense. Now you can see the negative forms of to be. How you will write the negative form? Isn't, aren't, wasn't, weren't, hasn't been, haven't been, will not be. When you use a negative form of to be. For example, a lemon isn't sweet. Diamonds aren't cheap. Arun wasn't present to the last class. He hasn't been regular since his illness. We haven't been in touch for a long time. The doctor will not be available next week. These are the forms, negative forms of to be. The negative forms of verb to be are am not, is not, are used for the present tense. Was not, were not are used during the past tense. Hasn't been, haven't been, past until now. And will not be used in the future tense. Now we go to the verb to do has the following forms: present, do, does. Perfect form, have, has, had, done. Past, did. Continuous, is, was, are, were, doing. The verbs do, does, did are used to make questions. Do you know the way? Present tense. Does he know the way? Present tense. Do, does, did. Did he like the film? Did he like the film? That is past tense. The verbs do, does, did can also be used as main verbs. We do yoga every morning, that is present tense. He does yoga every morning, again it is present tense. They did yoga this morning is the past tense. The negative forms of the verbs to do are don't and doesn't for present tense and didn't for past tense. Children, all these rules you keep in mind. Negative forms of present, past, future, negative forms of to be, negative forms of to do. Now the next is the verb to have has the following forms: present, have, has, past, had, continuous, ing, having. The verbs have, has and had are used to show the possession. For example, I have a car, that is present tense. He has confidence. Again it is present tense. She had a fever last night. That is past tense. We cannot say having for possession. We use having only for actions. For example, he is having lunch. He is having a shower. We are having a party or we are having a meeting. This is a possession, having, ing, continuous tense. We use have had of possession of something for possession of something from past to present. For example, we had the same car for 10 years. We have had the same car for 10 years. She has had this cell phone for 3 years. Means it is continuous still from past to present. Now negative forms of to have forms are have as possession, don't have, has as possession, doesn't have, and had as possession, didn't have.